An Elston Cleaning How-To, changing a toilet paper dispenser. Use the type of key shown here. Place the double-pronged end of the key into the keyhole in the center of the dispenser. Turn the key to the left to unlock the dispenser cover. Grasp the edge of the dispenser cover and gently slide the cover off by pulling forward. Place the key and the dispenser cover nearby. Remove the empty toilet paper roll. If restocking for a final cleaning and the dispenser has less than 8 inches of usable toilet paper, remove the used roll of toilet paper. Place a new roll of toilet paper over the center spindle as shown. Extend the toilet paper through the bottom opening. Then, slide the dispenser cover back onto the dispenser. Turn the key to the right to lock the dispenser in the closed position. Remove the key. Double-check to make sure you can see the toilet paper hanging down. That's sparkling clean!